The indispensable skill you must develop as an entrepreneur. If you want to be an entrepreneur, you have to learn this skill. If you won't learn it, you'll have to work for someone who will. And you won't rise in their organization either without this skill. The skill, communication. You need to learn how to talk. It's not easy to learn, but once you learn, it's like riding a bike. You never forget. It becomes muscle memory, and you can pull it up whenever you need it. Nothing I teach is more important than learning how to talk. It's what I spend the majority of my time on with my mentor students. And it's not because some of them aren't already pretty eloquent. You need to learn the language of the task you're trying to accomplish. As a real estate investor, you need to learn to talk to sellers. And more importantly, you need to learn to listen to them. It's called active listening. You're listening with intention. You're listening in order to help them solve a problem that they're having. You use your skill, knowledge, and understanding of real estate to solve their immediate problem. It's not about you making money. It's not about you finding a great deal or making a killing. If you make it all about you, your success will diminish and your business will be more stressful. It should be about you serving the seller and solving the problems they're facing. It doesn't take long to learn all the options the seller has. There are only a few. Once you understand their options, you have to be able to communicate those options to the seller in a way that they can understand and accept. Just because you know more than they do and have a better understanding of real estate doesn't mean they'll accept what you say as a solution for their situation. My strategy for talking to sellers is called Socratic Sales. It's named after Socrates, who was famous for using it to argue philosophy. Here's how it works. We ask a series of questions that lead the seller to their own conclusion about what they should do. We're not there to twist their arm. We're not there to browbeat them. We're not there to use clever sales techniques to trick them into saying yes. Our goal is to first discover their true needs and then review all their options with them. Then, once they understand their situation and they know their options, they can make an informed decision about which option makes the most sense for them. We find that more often than not, the option of them working with us makes them the most money in the least amount of time with the least amount of work on their part. This skill isn't just for real estate investors or entrepreneurs. If you learn it, it'll enhance your life with every relationship you have. The reason is because it changes your focus from yourself to others. When you change your focus to others, it enhances your connection with them because they hear you talking about them and not yourself. And that connects them to you. They say the most interesting conversationalist is someone who knows how to listen. I would add one more thing. The ability to ask the right questions that drill down to the issue at hand. If you learn this skill, it'll allow you to get to the money faster than any other activity you can do as an entrepreneur. If you'd like to work personally with me and my mentor mastermind group to learn and develop these skills, you should check out my 6-month mentor program. If you'd like me to take you by the hand and personally show you how to create wealth, if you'd like me to help you create a consistent, reliable, sustainable business that'll serve you for the rest of your life, you should look at my mentor program. It's not cheap. It costs about as much as going to college for a semester. But as we work together over a 6-month period and you do the work that I prescribe, you'll see a change in your life and in your business that you won't believe possible. I've done this with so many of my students in the past, and I can do it for you. The other benefit of working with me is you become part of my mastermind group. You can sit in with me and some of very skilled real estate investors. You can personally ask questions and get actionable solutions. If you'd like me to walk you through how to get all this done, you should consider getting into my mentor program. If you want to work with me personally, not a hired hand, you can find out all about my 6-month mentor program at zerodowninvesting.com. This website will show you how my program works, what's included, what it costs, what you can expect from me, and what I expect from you if you sign up. There are 3 training videos on the site that go into great detail about what you need to do to build a profitable real estate investing business. They add up to about 2 hours of education. I call them my advanced training program because that's exactly what they are. And if you know nothing about real estate, you might be in a bit over your head. The techniques I teach in these videos come from my personal experience, and you won't find this information anywhere else. If you aren't interested in working with me personally, or if you can't afford to join my mentor program, these 3 videos will still be worth your while. They'll give you an entire overview of my entire business and show you how to model your business after the step-by-step systems I've created. Even if you ultimately decide not to join my mentor program, I can safely say this advanced training program can completely transform your thinking about building a real estate investing business. I think these advanced training videos are one of the best programs I've ever created, and they won't cost you a dime. They distill my 35 years as an investor and my 20-plus years as a coach and give you a complete outline of how we build a profitable, powerful, consistent, reliable, ethical, peaceful business. They give you the milestones, the benchmarks, the standard operating procedures that you're going to need to succeed. All right, that's it for today. Good deals are not that hard to find if you have the skill and the craft to put together an offer that makes sense. I hope you'll join me. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button below. You can also go to joecrumpblog.com and sign up for my free email newsletter. I put out a lot of free information there that you can't find anywhere else. All right, good luck to you.